This week, on What Broke on the Coyote. Wah, wah.
Stop. Don't do that.
So, as you can see on that one, it broke crankshaft clear off. Joey is peeing coolant all over me right now. It's like some R. Kelly shit going on.
Yeah, fuck with that.
Yeah, you get with that. So, as you can see, Whipple 2018, all the basic fun stuff. Not really sure what caused that, but we'll insert a little video here of when that incident went down in Mexico.
1, 2, 3.
Of this, I think it was gapping a older GT500 during that. So, but this will be our second one. We'll be sending out to Bischoff. This one will be getting sleeved. Not sure if the Whipple's going back on. There's rumors of some twin turbos, something like that. We'll have to figure that out as we go along here. But little young Joey there is going to get this on apart, and hopefully we got a usable block. I'm going to guess the heads are going to be garbage. So if we get a usable block out of the whole situation, I guess we'll be ahead of the curve a little bit. But we'll come back after we get some more stuff broke down on it. See you in a bit. Ready? Roll with it. Let's see here.
Broke cam cap.
Got us a broke cam cap. There's some followers down in there broke. There's some followers down in there broke. Cam cap broke. Let's see. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For sure, 5 broke followers. Chain made it. Probably reuse that. So that's side one. We'll keep updating you as we keep finding cool broke stuff. Okay, so we're gonna wrap up this video of carnage. So right there is what's left of the crank. Just never mind all the lead over here. You racing them already long enough, when you do well, you'll win a few of those trophies. Consider those badges of honor, heavy ones. So the block is going to be usable, luckily enough. So we'll be getting this sleeved. Probably do a boss crank. May actually look at doing a Cali's crank on it to, since those are now available, a little bit stronger. Hopefully, we're gonna see what the availability is on those. Get a fresh set of heads. The heads obviously it's broke a bunch of caps, broke a bunch of followers, so it's just simpler to get new heads. But we'll keep you updated on that as it's going. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification. That way you know when this engine's back, when it's going back in the car, what the plans are going to be for the car, because I think the Whipple is going to go away. I think we've got it sold to another customer. So it's going to most likely get a Hellion sleeper kit and most likely go back on this car. Aim for some big power. Not that the Whipple couldn't, but the owner just wants to go to a turbo for obvious reasons. He had a bad experience with the crank snapping off, giving up the ghost. But like I said, hit that subscribe button, bell notification to be notified when we put out new videos, and we will see you guys on the next one.